this video, all right, as you can tell by the title, the reason, all right, y'all gotta come out and say it, all right. Now, this is something that I really been struggling to come out with, but I gotta do it, okay? So, what's up? What's up? So, okay, as you can tell by the setting that we in today, it's a little switch up, okay? So, we at the campus right now. I'm gonna put it right there. Nova University, okay? You already know what's up. I'm majoring in human nutrition, okay? Majoring and potentially, in the next coming semester, going to be minoring in sports sciences, okay? So that's what's going down with me on that topic. Now, this video, all right, as you can tell by the title, the reason, all right, y'all got to come out and say it, all right? Now, this is something that I really been struggling to come out with, but I got to do it, okay? So what it is a whole lot of about me. The topic of this video, who I am, what I'm doing, and why I'm doing it. All right, and now something I'm gonna straight out just come out the gate and say, I'm 18. My passion is fitness and nutrition. All right, and this is what I'm going to school for. This is why I am furthering my knowledge in this topic, because my end goal, my goal in whether it be 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, is to become, not only an entrepreneur in the area and expertise of exercise and fitness and all that stuff, but, also just to have a name for myself and to be an influential person that can make an impact if I want to make an impact. You know what I'm saying? So basically to have that fan base, to have that name, and to have that impact and power to do so by doing what I'm doing right now, grinding. I'm sure, let me tell you straight up, there's not that many people watching my videos, and that's perfectly fine with me because it's a part of the process. Like if it was as simple as, throw up a video, it goes viral and shit like that happens, everybody will be doing it. But I tell you straight up, it takes, in my opinion, just being genuine, and I'm gonna be genuine any day I can be, every single day of the week, because at the end of the day, my genuineness is going to show through, and also the value of information that I'm putting out there, okay? And that is definitely what I am going to continue doing, putting out value for y'all, okay? Whether that be talking about nutrition related topics, diet, fitness related topics, training, lifting weights, getting bigger, building muscle, making gains, all that, okay? Value is what I'm going to separate myself from the rest of the pack from, okay? Because not only value, but relatability, and, I'm new, I'm fresh, okay? And on top of that, I know how to talk. I like to talk. And, I feel like if y'all can mesh with me, what I'm saying, we could get somewhere and we could both benefit from our conversation, okay? So, a little bit about goals, right? So, I said I wanted to be an entrepreneur and all of this, and I want to continue to, build up my fan base, build up my platforms. I also have an Instagram. I'll put it right there, okay? I got a little TikTok. TikTok is not my favorite because I do see its downfalls and its, shortcomings with its longevity. I don't think it's gonna be around forever, but I do feel that it is in the now, and what's with now, you gotta be with the trends and all that stuff, okay? So I do got a TikTok, I also put it right there, okay? And on top of that though, there's a link down in the description that has all of my platforms. It's a link tree that you can go through and you can see all the various types of ways that I put my content out there, okay? But besides that, I want to build up my fan base, and I want to, create a loyal fan base that actually has someone that provides, the fuel to the fire, for what my purpose is, but also, stick with me, stick with me through thick and thin, and that's definitely something that I'm definitely in the process of still building. And open arms, I'm an open book, ask me a question, I got an answer for you, and I'm one to, converse in a lot of ways that, some other people might not feel comfortable with, but, I feel that, honesty is the best policy, and being genuine, and also just having a way of conversating that is open, I feel is what allows more to build from that, okay? Now, on that note, all right, we're going to switch up the goals conversation, okay, to a little bit of my training focus, okay? Training focus, I am an endurance runner, and I'm a bodybuilder, okay, right? I'm all, this is all recreational. I'm not no professional, and as far as into those sports, right? Now, the thing is that I have participated in 5K runs, and I have also been lifting for just under 2 years now, okay? Referencing the bodybuilding part, right? So 5K runs, I'll tell you my stats. As a matter of fact, 5K is 3.10 miles, and I ran that in my fastest pace so far in about 33.55 seconds, okay? Put that in perspective, all right, what I'm working with. And I'm in about 6 weeks in of my, little block of endurance training, and my current goal for the endurance focus is to accumulate a 20-mile week, all right, of my mileage, through the runs in the 7-day period, 20 miles in total, all right, and I'm gonna hit that. Saying it out now, okay, affirmation out loud for everybody here. 20-mile week mileage, okay, is out there, okay, and it's gonna be hit. Now, as far as the bodybuilding conversation, I'm just trying to get big and juicy, I'm trying to get that shelf, get them delts. I'm trying to look good because for my own personal desires was more so the moment right now. I don't really know if I'm going to ever in the future, never say never, but to compete in a professional bodybuilding show, maybe not, I don't know. But simultaneous with the bodybuilding, I do find myself as a foodie person, okay? So on the topic of food and eating good, okay, I am a past obese, diagnosed teenager, okay? I'm 18 at the moment, but I would say within the years of 10 to 14 or so, I was packing on the pounds, not putting the fork down, and I was eating a little too good. Now, mind you, I eat just in very similar fashions in regard to the types of foods that I used to eat when I was that type of life, okay? Now, I am big with nutrition. That is what my major is, okay? I'm a foodie. I love food. I love all types of food, all cuisines, all colors, all shapes, all everything. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Desserts for breakfast, whatever type. Listen, the weirder the better, okay? You know what I'm saying? I am just a foodie person. And, I do find that food is a big part of our society and the way how we live now, okay? It's a part of relationships. And relationships build off of, food as the main foundation, where it can be a conversation starter, whether it could be new experience that you share with another person. Okay, food is a very influential part of our lives today. And that's today life. That wasn't 100 years ago life. But today life, food is a very influential part. Now, I know how to moderate myself, and I know how to indulge in ways that don't throw me over the edge and don't revert me back to my obese self, okay? I am right now sitting around 170 pounds, and my heaviest, I was around 230 pounds, okay? But mind you, that was 230 with a lack of activity, a lack of muscle mass, and a lack of everything, okay? Lack of nutrients. Now, I'm 170. I have completely altered my body composition, and I have put on muscle, and I have lost body fat. So 170 in perspective to 230 with no muscle and all body fat is a big difference, and it is a big accomplishment for myself, which I would say 100 times over again I am so proud of, and I don't acknowledge and I don't belittle myself on that, and I completely think I am relatable to those that are in a position right now, maybe related to that 230 obese, male, female, whatever circle, whatever, it don't matter. But the thing is like I feel like I'm relatable in that sense that I've been there and I know what it feels like, and on top of everything, I have overcame it. But along the way, even to this very day, I'm still practicing on being mindful and even, perfecting what I do in order to not revert. You know what I'm saying? Because it is a daily battle. It is a daily battle. And that is something that I don't think is ever talked about. It's the long-term habits. It really is. It's the long-term habits that overcome the long-term lifestyle that you're trying not to become again. You know what I'm saying? It takes a lifestyle to override a lifestyle. All right? And that's straight up, I can say that many times over again. If I have not messed up, that would be a lie. I mess up. I'm not perfect. I overeat, undereat. Everybody has their things, but I definitely would say that perfection is not one of mine, and and I completely acknowledge that, and I accept that too, because with lack of perfection also shows areas where you can work on. Progressively put more focus on that. You know what? I'm weaker in this area. You know what? I'm gonna work on that a little bit more. All right. Put that in perspective, okay? Now, that kind of gives a broad overview of my fitness goals, my nutrition goals, all right? Nutritional-wise, I didn't really say, but I'm sort of in a maintenance slash bulking, you could say a slight surplus, calorie surplus, in regards to trying to put on some muscle mass. At the moment, I'm taking a deload, a couple days off of weight training, try to recoup, bounce back harder, you know what I'm saying? But when I do get back in that gym, though, I'm going to add a little slight surplus over my daily calorie limit, target, whatever you may say, but I'm gonna add a little bit calories on top of that number because I'm trying to maximize my muscle. Okay, so now on top of that, I would also be hinting to y'all right now that I will have a following video, or in the future, coming future, breakdown specifically of my endurance and my weight training regimen. Okay, if y'all interested in that, let me know. All right, this is a more conversative video, but let me know if y'all want to see that. Y'all like to be in the details. Y'all want to know. Y'all maybe want to ask some questions. Feel free, okay? And if y'all want a formal Q&A also, I can put a poll up on my Instagram. Once again, I'll put it right there, okay? I'll put a poll up on the Instagram. If y'all hit that up, okay, and y'all give me some juicy questions, it could be any type, any conversation, any topic, rated R, whatever. It don't matter. But if y'all ask me questions, I will deliver, okay? I will deliver, and y'all most definitely will be seeing a Q&A video legit on the YouTube page from y'all and from yours truly, okay? So on top of that, there's a couple cars behind me, okay? It's a lot going on, right? Busy campus, busy, it's a lively campus over here, all right? But on top of that, for the most part, I said what I wanted to say. I wanted to bring an introduction to y'all to who I am, what I'm doing, and why I'm doing it. And, overall, I'm going to keep on coming, okay? Whether that be once every week, once every 2 weeks, whatever. But consistency is going to be there, okay? Regardless of the frequency. But consistency over frequency and quality, okay? Because I will not fall short on bringing out quality and value, all right? Because this is something that I'm passionate about. And this is my stages and steps in the further direction of me being my best self and me becoming who I will be. Entrepreneur / YouTuber / fitness, nutrition, all right? Future dietitian, nutritionist, okay? So y'all look out for my videos. Once again, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm gonna throw a Q&A up one of these days. Y'all look out for my IG, follow my IG, okay? Show love to that. I'll be posting every now and then. And when I get back in that gym, y'all gonna be seeing the pump pics and all that stuff. I got something in the works, okay? So I appreciate y'all for sticking around this video. Listen to me talk. Listen to me breathe all this hot air, all right? I love y'all and keep showing love to the videos. I appreciate everything. All right, I'm going to see y'all in the next one.